You already know what time it is.
That was just something that, man, you couldn't, I mean, just walking outside just looked at like a movie. Like, even hearing it, it was like I was like the boys and me and, oh my God, we was just, and of course, my husband was talking about some, I'm gonna go out there and see what it's doing. Probably would have blew his right away. But anyway. You good?
You already know what time it is.
Grand Rising, y'all. Oh, today is Monday. I think it's the 17th. 18th. I think it's 17th, yes. 17th. And yesterday I hardly did anything. I had a not so good day, but today is a better day. I got some cleaning to do, and a couple other things to do. But I want to hop on here and tell y'all Grand Rising, and I'm finna get ready to start a load of clothes and just get my day started. The boys are still asleep, which, you know, it's spring break, so they stayed up pretty late. Well, Dallas stayed up pretty late, but yeah, so I'm gonna get some stuff done while they still sleep, and then when they wake up, you'll see them, hear them, or whatever. So yeah. How was you guys' weekend? I know I told y'all that we was going out on a date. And we did. We went out on a date. We went to go see Tiffany Haddish. And she was pretty good. She had some little funny jokes. Not little funny jokes, but she had some jokes and they was good. It's been a while since we've been able to go out on a date. And they said no recording, no taking no pictures, no nothing. But I got a little snippet, not of her, but of going in there. And oh my God, I'm gonna show y'all. Going in there with my headscarf on, like I don't walked around, you know, different places with my scarf on or had a scarf on. Like I haven't worn scarves. That's not the thing. It was just like, that wasn't part of my outfit. So, and I was like, babe, you didn't even tell me? He was like, I didn't see it. So, yeah, but it was raining. I had the umbrella as soon as when I got out the car, but I didn't even feel it. So, but as soon as when I seen it, I was like, but what? But yeah, so, but we had fun at Tiffany Haddish, even though it was raining, storming, actually. We had a good time. Yesterday was supposed to be the reset day, like just getting everything together, but I'm telling y'all, I'm yawning right now. I pretty much got some rest and was catching up on some stuff, and yeah, just chilled out. But today we're gonna get to it. I am going to make me a cup of tea, just because I feel like I need some warm and fuzzy. Look at it. In the last vlog, I was like, look at my skin, but my skin still look good. But yeah, if you know what that is, you know what that is. We ain't gonna talk about it because she just, yeah, anyway, she just need to come on and then she can just, you know, leave on out. Come in quiet and leave out quiet, period. I want to stay for at least 7 years. And I mentioned earlier that we was in a tornado, and a lot of people don't understand like what a tornado do. Some people do because they don't been in it, but that was like my first time really even just what I ain't never experienced a tornado, nothing close by, nothing. And so that kind of put it on a whole nother feel for me, like what in the world, like woo. See, we never posted. I mean, it took us a couple years to bounce back. Like even sometimes when it like storm real bad, we still be like, who are the boys are like walking, they're like, okay, well, you know, or I'll walk in where my husband is like, what is it to do, like, or I just stay up all night. Even to the point I text all my neighbors that still, you know, live around that we was here, you know, during the tornado, just checking up, like, hey, you know, it's gonna storm tonight, hey, you good, da 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 da. Like we all do that. And it as like, you know, neighbors, it brought us closer or whatever. But that was just something that, man, you couldn't, I mean, just walking outside just looked at like a movie. Like even hearing it, it was like I was like the boys and me and oh my God, we was just, and of course my husband was talking about some, I'm gonna go out there and see what it's doing. Probably would have blew his right away. But anyway, all right, y'all, so in the midst of me getting my water hot and finding out what tea I'm gonna use, somebody woke up. You gonna say hey to the vloggy vlog? What? Well, he just not waking up. In 2 seconds he'll change his mind. Dang, you turned your head and everything? I'm gonna get my good cup. Shout out to Anjanae, which is my best friend, the boy's godmom. She actually got me that for my birthday. It was this teacup, yes, birthday. And then these little individual packets. Yeah. So I'm gonna put that on. You gonna see? Yes. Okay. Oh, good job. Say be back. Say what kind? Oh, bless you. Bless. Woo! You got that thing, didn't you? Okay. So, we'll call y'all back. Say by the phone.
It ain't a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies as pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. A slave where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood.
All right, y'all, I'm back. I thought that I was fit to get ready to change him. He wanna still walk around and do his morning commute. He finna go get his brothers up. That's what that means. That's exactly what's finna happen. So I don't know how much y'all can hear me, cause I got the washer and the dryer on. But yeah, I just had on my robe and now I got on my onesie. If you know me, you know I love a onesie, you know. See, I love a onesie. So if you don't like it, okay, just, okay, share it. Nah, I'm just kidding. But I love onesies. Hopefully you guys do too. They keep you all warm and cozy inside. Oh, it's like you can be free while being covered up. But you free. Yeah, free. I know for me, sometimes, like my son, he asked me yesterday, he was like, Mom, is there anything I can do? And I always say no. Like, for the most part, I always say no. But then I get on to them like, y'all want to clean? Yeah, it is. Like, y'all need to clean y'all bathroom. And I think at the times when he asked me, I should be like, yeah, I just want you to come watch, or yeah, come help me with the dishes, or yeah, come help me clean the bathroom. So they can really get in the habit of just cleaning up without me having to say. And then that takes the load off of me having to do every single thing as far as like cleaning up. Now granted, yes, my husband helps clean up. The boys, they clean up very spotty. But it's just getting them to, hey, get off the game. Hey, you know, I know you want to go outside, but we're not doing it right now. Let's clean up, and then you can go outside.
I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, was kidding. I'm not. Long as you joking, now answer me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, do it. I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Body warm when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
200,000 on his birthday cake. You feel?
Yeah.